It's time for a short dose of RVs. Wow, check out the Pebble Flow, a travel trailer that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Pebble has some seriously ambitious goals for this thing. First off, the battery pack is massive, 45 kilowatt hours at 400 volts. But here's the cool part, the Flow can actually help propel itself. Tow it with an EV and barely notice the extra weight, or even use regenerative braking to charge the battery while driving with a gas-powered vehicle. And that's not all. The Flow is designed to be incredibly stable on the road, with features like crosswind assist. Plus, the HVAC system is super efficient and quiet, and the windows, let's just say they're magical. But what really impressed me was the attention to aerodynamics. The Flow is designed to slip through the air, reducing drag and improving fuel economy. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The Winnebago Hike 100, known for its ruggedness and off-road capability, just got even better with the new Flex package. This upgrade is designed for serious adventurers, enabling extended off-grid camping for up to 5 days. The Flex features 5 integrated technologies that maximize self-sufficiency. A 200-watt solar panel charges a 320 amp-hour lithium-ion battery bank, while a smart inverter provides clean AC power. The efficient Truma systems conserve energy, and a water reclamation system minimizes water usage. With the Hike 100 Flex, you can explore further and stay longer in the wilderness. This is the ultimate off-grid adventure vehicle. Experience the thrill of off-road adventure with the new Asada 5 Extreme Edition. This 28SS is built for serious exploration, featuring a lifted suspension, 41-inch off-road tires, and a rugged exterior. It conquers challenging terrain with ease. Steep inclines? No problem. This RV handles it all. On the highway, the ride is incredibly smooth and comfortable. Advanced features like adaptive cruise control and a 4-way camera system make driving effortless. Inside, you'll find a spacious and well-appointed interior. The kitchen is a chef's dream, and the bathroom offers ample space and a luxurious shower experience. The massive pass-through storage compartment can accommodate everything you need for your adventures, from camping gear to outdoor furniture. With its powerful lithium batteries, you can confidently explore off-grid locations. Enjoy the freedom of dry camping with the peace of mind that you have all the power you need. The Asada 5 Extreme Edition is more than just an RV, it's an invitation to adventure. Forget traditional bunkhouses. This unique RV offers a versatile space you can customize to your liking. With the innovative Ember track system, you can create a comfortable sleeping area, a spacious living area, or even a dedicated workspace. The Ember 191 MSL, aka the Missile, is built on a robust chassis with off-road tires, ensuring a smooth and capable ride. Inside, you'll find a comfortable queen bed, a well-equipped kitchen, and ample storage space. This isn't just an RV, it's a blank canvas for your imagination. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a solo adventure, or a weekend getaway, the Missile offers the flexibility and comfort you need. Experience the freedom to customize your RV with the Missile. Visit our website for more information. Here are some additional benefits of the Missile. Enhanced comfort. The Missile features a high-quality mattress, ample seating, and a well-appointed kitchen. Energy efficiency. The RV is equipped with efficient LED lighting, a high-capacity battery, and optional solar panels, making it ideal for off-grid adventures. Spacious storage. With plenty of storage space throughout the RV, you can pack everything you need for your trip. Customizable options. Choose from a variety of features and upgrades to personalize your Missile. Don't settle for ordinary. Experience the extraordinary with the Missile. The Ember 191 MSL is a truly unique and versatile RV that offers a comfortable and customizable camping experience. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this is the perfect choice.
And here are some other RV-related videos.